We have been destroying the earth for a very long time now. But we don't know that the destruction of the earth is the destruction of ourselves. There is no other place in this universe that a spirit and matter can live. This is the only place that we can live. And we're destroying it. Basically destroying ourselves. Guinea Igbo, as in the etymology of the word. Igbo, but Odede, nature. Afifiando, natural environment. Igbo is an escapism from the matrix. If you want to escape the matrix, you have to go to Igbo, nature. Because everything around nature does not lie. The dream world, which is when you go out in a city, the dream world are all man-made. But in Igbo, you will find what is truth. Now, the concept of being Igbo has been corrupted so much to a point that, it has been used for political philosophies and, all things but what it truly is. Like, the idea of being Igbo has been used for so many things except for what it is, which is nature. Ndo, afifiando, Epa, Ndo, Imo, Ndo. Imo is natural environment. When you are trying to escape from the matrix, where you go is Igbo. We have to have regards for what we are. We have to know what we are in terms of being Igbo. And that is that what being Igbo is telling us is that there is nothing separate from us and nature. So everything that we are is nature, because Igbo is nature. When you look at the Igbo masquerades, all the Igbo masquerades, they wear grass. They wear grass on their body. Like all the Igbo masquerades, like 98% of all the Igbo masquerades they're wearing grass. It is because Igbo is nature. It is an escapism from the matrix. It is not the matrix. It is not a philosophy. It is not an idea that you can be using to try and start a capitalist matrix or capitalist construct. That's not what Igbo is. What Igbo is an escapism from the matrix. The true identity of the people is Igbo. Before lies, before this dream world, before the dream world. Right now, inside where I am is not the dream world. I am not in the dream world. I am outside of the dream world. The Igbo ancestors didn't write, like in terms of like writing things down as like just like how you people write books or Igbo ancestors did not write books. Igbo ancestors believed in infinity, like infinite ways of doing things. And writing isn't one of them. Writing is not of the E. Writing is not eternal. Books are not eternal. Well, language is eternal. Language, words are eternal. So the Igbo language is basically a library of very ancient. For example, the Igbo word for life is Ndo. and it is also the Igbo word for green. And that is what we are. That is what we are. There's nothing different between us and the trees. Oshishi, Oshi, Ishi. You know, it's of the source.